Hi, welcome to AWS EC2 course. This course is an introduction to AWS EC2. So before we start, let's know what is AWS EC2. AWS EC2 is for it's Amazon Elastic Computing Cloud, one of many services provided by AWS, which is the CSP cloud service provider. And before we start this course, it is worth mentioning here that we need to have proper background knowledge to understand EC2, and we need to know what is cloud computing, we need to know what is IP addressing, and we also need to have knowledge about virtualization. Without these knowledge, it might be a bit uncomfortable for someone who doesn't have knowledge on virtualization, cloud computing, and computer IP addressing and computer networks, so it might be a bit uncomfortable to follow this course. However, let's look into what is Amazon EC2. It is, as I said, one of the services from the cloud service provider Amazon. It provides cloud computing platform where we can create virtual servers, as many as we want or as less as we want. So we can create one or many, and if we create many, we can just come down to one. We can delete some servers, which means we can actually scale up or down depending on our requirement, depending on our changing requirement for our organization. On cloud platform, we can create servers, we can increase number of servers, we can decrease number of servers, which cloud computing and virtualization and scaling, upscaling or downgrading, these help us to reduce IT cost significantly. And the virtual servers that we create on the cloud platform by using Amazon EC2, they might be located in different geographic regions, and we can, or they can be in the same data center, but we can establish virtual networking on virtual servers, and also we can look at the security aspects. And it's worth mentioning here once again that EC2 is one of the services from AWS, and it will work with in conjunction with some other tools, for example, CloudFormation. However, this course is focusing only on EC2 to give good introductory idea on what is EC2. So let's get started. Thank you.